Hello, I'm Cyprien for Breaking News, and here are the headlines. More and more hurricanes, cocaine problem in Colombia, and the Quevedo case.
Hello, I am Leah. Lately, a lot of hurricanes hit the American continent. Florence, Isaac, and Michael. They hit Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Cuba, North Carolina, South Carolina, and West Indies. This hurricane did a lot of material damage. There are more and more natural disasters around the world.
Hello, I'm Clarice. I'm going to talk about the problem of cocaine in Colombia. Colombia is the world's largest supplier of cocaine, and manufacturing continues to grow. Production has reached record levels today, according to recently UN statistics. The area of cocaine production last year was higher than ever, with an increase of 25,000 hectares compared to 2017.
Kavanaugh is a popular American politician. He has been accused of sexual assault 3 times. Only one case has been dealt with by the police. Well, finally, his nomination was accepted at the Supreme Court.
Live from Hurricane Michael, which hit Georgia, Florida, and Alabama. Hundreds of thousands of houses and businesses were destroyed.
Today's special report about multicultural Britain. We are going to interview 3 British people from different origins. Are you British?
Yeah, I am British.
Where does your family come from?
My family come from Durack River in Jamaica.
When did your family arrive in the UK?
My family arrived in UK in 1948.
Why did your family arrive in the UK?
Because they wished for a better life.
Okay, thank you.
Hello,
Thank you for answering my question.
you're welcome.
Are you British?
Yes, I am British.
Where did your families come from?
My family comes from Poland.
When did your families arrive in the UK and why?
My family arrived in the United Kingdom in the 19th century to have more money.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hello, and thank you for answering my questions.
You're welcome.
Are you British?
Yes, I am British. Of course.
Where does your family come from?
My family is Pakistani, but live in the United Kingdom.
How long have you been here?
I've been by my life. It was been here.
What about your family?
My family arrived in 1950.
Why did your family come to United Kingdom?
Because they wished for a better life.
What's your favorite food in the United Kingdom?
It's curry. Curry is very delicious.
Is curry repeated in the United Kingdom?
Yes, there are many curry restaurants. People like curry.
Is your life in the UK it's difficult or easy?
Only life in the United Kingdom is very easy. There is no judgment. I'm very well integrated. It's very cool.
Okay, thank you, Kylian.
You're welcome. Goodbye, Jade.
Goodbye.
Hello, my name is Chloe.
Hello, my name is Lola. Today we are going to talk about the World Cup. The French footballer won the World Cup final, French versus Croatia, on July 15. The result was 4-2 for the French team, scored 2 Griezmann, Mbappé and Pogba.
We got a second start this summer during the World Cup. We are going to talk about Kylian Mbappé. He was won the heart of the French people during the World Cup this summer. He is the youngest of the French footballers. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Go France! Hello and welcome to my favorite. Today we are going to wonder if YouTube can be a job. Applause Thibaut InShape and his partner Juju FitCat. Yeah! You make fitness and bodybuilding video.
Yes, that's right.
So Thibaut, you did not come alone, you brought partner Juju FitCat.
Well, hi my little kitty cat.
Thibaut, you have reached 4,370,000 subscribers on YouTube. You are satisfied with your YouTube journey?
Yes, first of all, thank my community. It is thanks to them I am here, and I also thank the rice and turkey. I also thank the temple and Juju. We helped me a lot so far.
Thanks, Thibaut.
Juju, I have a question for you. Is YouTube a business?
For me, YouTube is a business because I love it thanks to this and the muscle.
And you, Thibaut?
For me too, it's a job, a passion, and I live this passion.
Thank you, Juju. Thank you, Thibaut, for your answering the show. If is over, see you next week.
Hello, we are Leah and Cyprien, and we are going to show you our favorite video games. This game pack is the new The Sims 4. There are many seasons, there are new clothes for hot and cold temperatures. This game pack adds the season in the game. It is a very cool pack which costs $35. It is less popular than cats and dog packs.
In winter, we can discover snow at Sims. We can play with it. The Sims will leave snowstorms, and we can do ice skating. In spring, we can become a gardener, go see bees, hives, and play in nude poodle. In summer, the Sims can play with water, do rollerblade, and in autumn, the Sims can play in piles of dead leaves and many other cool activities. We recommend this game!